In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in ConvertKit. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the exciting world of email newsletters and how ConvertKit can make that process easy and enjoyable for you. First, if you haven't already, you'll need to create a ConvertKit account. You can go to the ConvertKit website and sign up. Once you're in, you'll be welcomed with a user-friendly dashboard that has a clean and straightforward layout. Don't be overwhelmed if it looks like there are a lot of options at first. We're going to break this down step by step so you'll be able to create your first newsletter in no time. Now, the first thing you want to do is to click on the Create button at the top right corner of the dashboard. This will give you options for what you can create. From here, you'll want to select Broadcast. A broadcast is your newsletter. It's essentially a one-time email that you can send to all or some of your subscribers. Once you click on Broadcast, ConvertKit will prompt you to give your email a title. This is where we start to get creative. Think about the subject line of your newsletter. It should grab your audience's attention and make them want to read what you have to say. For instance, if your newsletter is about the latest tips on gardening, you might title it 5 Tips to Boost Your Spring Garden. Once you enter your title, click on Next to move ahead. Now we're in the email editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a rich text editor that allows you to format your content easily. You can write your newsletter directly in here, and there's also the option to add images, links, and buttons to make your email more engaging. Let's start with the body of your newsletter. It's always a good idea to start with a warm greeting and a brief introduction, maybe a personal touch or a story that connects you with your readers. This makes your newsletter feel more personal. After your introduction, delve into your main content. Remember, keep it valuable and relevant to your audience. Whether it's tips, insights, or updates, aim to provide information that they will find useful or interesting. As you write, you might want to use headers to break up your content. This helps it to be more digestible and easier to skim. ConvertKit allows you to easily format your text. You can make headers bold or italic, and even bullet points for lists. Don't forget to include a call to action. What do you want your readers to do after they finish reading your newsletter? Perhaps visit your website, share the newsletter, or follow you on social media. After you've crafted your email, take some time to preview it. There's a handy preview feature in ConvertKit that lets you see how the email will look to your subscribers. This is a great opportunity to spot any typos or issues before it goes out, so don't skip this step. Next, you want to decide who you're going to send this newsletter to. ConvertKit allows you to send your broadcast to your entire subscriber list or segment it down to specific tags or segments if you have already set that up. This is super helpful if you want to target certain groups within your audience. Finally, the last step is to schedule or send your email. You can send it immediately or choose a date and time for it to be sent out later. This is particularly handy if you want to optimize your sending times based on when your readers are most engaged. And that's it. You've created a beautiful newsletter in ConvertKit. Just remember, the key to a successful newsletter lies in consistency. Make sure to keep in touch with your subscribers regularly, provide them value, and engage with them. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one. Happy emailing!